Okay, Option Sharks, how's it going? This is your option coach here, and today I'm at my favorite cafe. It's slightly windy, but the weather is nice and clear and blue skies. So have a look at the patio and then check out the Pacific coast. Okay, fantastic. So today what I want to cover is about passive investing and active investing. All right, so obviously passive investing is great. You know, there's nothing wrong with that. But the way I look at it, my viewpoint on passive investing is that you want to have millions of dollars, right? You have so much money, you don't know what to do with it. Then that's a good idea to put the money into some type of passive vehicle like mutual funds, ETFs, treasury bills, whatever the case may be. Okay, so that's when you have so much money, you don't know what to do with it. So it's okay to put it in those type of assets. Don't look at it and just benefit from the returns anywhere between 6%, perhaps 6% up to 12% per year, depending on what asset you decide to put it in. Now that's a 100% passive. You don't need to look at it. You just let it do its thing, let it ride. Now, if you're at the stage where you're like less than 50,000, couple six figures, 100K, or less than $500,000, or even above $500,000, you want to focus and you want to take more of an active approach, right? You want to get to your milestones. You want to get that 100K milestone. You want to get to that 250K milestone. You want to get to that $500,000 milestone. You want to get to that $1 million milestone, right? The 7-figure. That's what everyone is aiming for, even myself. Okay, and I'm progressing towards that direction. Then you need to put more emphasis on an active approach. Okay. Now, when I say active approach, this is where you are spending at least an hour a week on your investments, on your trading. And when it comes to trading and investing in the market, there's really the way you look at it, also your personality type, right? I have friends that do really well trading futures, day trading, swing trading, and that's a little bit more more screen time. You need to monitor those trades. You need to be in and out of the market, and it's more high stress, the way I look at it. And it's also like an adrenaline rush, but you can do really well if you know what you're doing. Now, obviously, I much prefer trading options, because options is more passive. It's semi-passive. You can take a semi-passive approach to it and still generate very great income, okay? And you can do it consistently, safely, and again, semi-passively, okay? So when it comes to focusing on growing your portfolio, scaling, you want to focus on taking an active approach. And then when you're taking an active approach, don't try to wing it. Don't try to do this on your own, right? YouTube is great. There's a lot of great resources on there. But if you want to minimize your mistakes, if you want to speed up the learning curve, you need to get access to a coach. You need a mentor. You need access to community, so you have a feedback loop so you can get better results, okay? Now, obviously, if you're watching this, you already know I'm I'm a coach. I trade options. I have a tight-knit community that I work with everybody on a one-on-one base. And I'm not here to brag, but everybody's doing very well. And I don't want my talking to show you, right? I just want to demonstrate what I can do. So stay tuned. On the second half of this video, I'm going to include an actual live coaching call that I do with one of my option sharks. All right, so if you want to see how I work on a one-on-one base, you want to generate 5 to 10% per month consistently, safely, and semi-passively, then I am your guy. I enjoy what I do. I don't find it as work, because this is something I've been doing, and also I enjoy helping others as well. Okay, so if you like and subscribe, if you like what I'm saying, put a comment out there as well. And of course, if you want to know how I work, there's a calendar link in the video somewhere or in my profile. Book a time, love to have a conversation with you. Share my screen, I'll show you how we work. All right, so other than that, I wish you a fantastic day wherever you are, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Pony is Pony AI, Poni.
Yeah.
And they are working with Uber on selfless driving company. Obviously, yeah. Uber is a monster of a company. If they're willing to invest in a company, that means that this company is going places.
Okay. Well, I had 600 shares of Pony because I had done some reading, and my buddy had done some reading. It was like, yeah, this is going to be a good stock. So 100% with you.
Yeah, this is a good stock. Let's look at the strike. I was looking at 14 strike myself the other day. Yeah, okay. 14 is nice and safe. Delta's only 16. We just keep it nice and safe.
Where are you seeing all this stuff, man?
I'm doing it from my side because it's quicker. Yeah. Let me see how it's trading as well. Just maybe we can get do a little bit more. Yeah, we can go. Okay, so let's do pony auction sell to open.
STO. And what's the what? Okay, it will be a put, and you want it on the
23rd.
Okay.
And then we're gonna do 4 contracts, and the strike price will be $14.50.
Whoa. $14.50.
There you go. That was perfect.
Cool.
That's another $200. And
nice.
Let's process that.
And I just want to. Okay. Oh, it doesn't say the premium. Okay. Cool.
Oh yeah, that's the amount right there.
Oh, okay. Got it. Okay. So commission. Okay, $200. Beautiful.
Yeah. So 600 and change plus 200. So now we're up to 800 for the following week. We can place this order.
Yep. Sounds good, man.
Status. Let's see if we got filled.
Filled. All right.
Perfect.